Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to prevent changing desktop icons on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Before prevent changing desktop icon on Windows 11 computer, I am going to show you how to change desktop icon. Right click on a desktop icon and then click on properties. Here you will find an option change icon. Click on change icon and now click on browse and select the folder where your icons are ready, and I have selected a icon and I'm changing the icon from here, and if you click on apply the icon will be changed. Now I'm going to show you how to prevent changing icon from Windows 11 computer desktop. Go to search. In search type gpedit, click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative templates, expand control panel, click on personalization, and here you will find an option prevent changing desktop icons, and now it's not configured. Right click on the setting, click on edit, click on enabled and click on apply, then click on OK. Now the setting is enabled. Close group policy editor. Now you need to update the changes in group policy. Right click on start menu, click on run. In run type gp update/force. Now click on OK and it will update group policy immediately. Now you need to log out and log in your computer. To log out your computer, click on start menu, click on your user profile icon and then click on sign out. After signing in again, hope desktop icon changing is prevented from your Windows 11 computer.